Welcome to the Vegan Spice. My name is Joseph. Anti-inflammatory, free radicals, antioxidants. What do they all mean? Give me about 10 minutes and I'll break it down for you. Alright guys, everybody's trying to make me laugh over here. I got a huge audience. But anyway, so anti-inflammatory and antioxidants and free radicals. This is what I have right here. The colors of the rainbow is what I like to shoot for. If you see my videos, I like to focus on the gut. Heal from the inside out. So, all the ingredients are down below and you can substitute anything you want. But for a base, we're going to go with nice, deep, rich red color. And to get that, I have frozen strawberries and fresh raspberries. So again, just eye it, and if you need more, then go ahead and add a little bit more. But I'm going to go ahead and add this whole thing in here. Okay? Then we have this, the main component, the superfood, right here in the top 10. What is it? Beet powder. What the heck is beet powder? I'm just going to add a little bit because this stuff is really strong. Okay? Beet powder has nitrates in it. What are nitrates? Your body converts it to nitric oxide. Dilates. Increases the blood flow in your body. Plain and simple. Okay? So we have that. That's going to give it a nice, deep, rich color. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of oat milk. Any non-dairy would do. You have the almond, you have the coconut, you have the banana almond. There's so many different kinds in the store. Or you can make it homemade, whatever you choose. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some bananas because that's what I'm looking for also. Again, you can gauge this. You can add more liquid. You don't have to add more liquid. It's all you. Now, I'm going to add some peanut powder. This is going to give it a nice peanut flavor. Not only that, but you have antioxidants in here. You have it in the beets. You have it in the raspberries. You have it in the strawberries. You have it in the bananas. And what's this? Vegan protein powder. So I'm going to add a little bit of that in there also. Okay? I'm going to add just a tad more of the milk. And we're going to go ahead and play with that. All right, we're going to go ahead and put the top on here. We have a Ninja. Okay, that's what you got to do. That's going to have a nice, deep, rich flavor. Nice thin. That's what I'm looking for. Nice and thick. I don't want it too watery because when you put everything on top, it's going to sink to the bottom. And that's not what I'm looking for. I want it nice and thick, guys. That's what I'm looking for. That's going to be beautiful. Twist that off. All right, let's see what we got here. That is nice. Right here. You see that? Beautiful. Look at that. My goodness. Put this down without spilling it. That there. We're going to move this over there. We're going to put that there. We're going to take the mangoes. We're going to take the blueberries. We're going to take the high antioxidant foods, guys. The anti-inflammatory foods. What are anti-inflammatory foods? These decrease. They're not going to eliminate. They would decrease the inflammation in your body. If you have a toothache, if you have a broken toe, if you have a broken leg, if you have ailments and diseases, acute or chronic, it will go ahead and decrease. It's not going to eliminate. I like to eat the colors of the rainbow. The more colors, the more antioxidants, the more anti-inflammatory effects it's going to have on the body. Decreases the inflammation on your body. Okay? What do antioxidants do? Decrease the free radicals in your body. What are free radicals? those guys wreak havoc on your body. Those are unstable. They're unstable molecules, and that's what we want to decrease, okay? That's why I focus on the colors of the rainbow. That's it. So, let's see what we have. Everything is already cut up. If you don't like strawberries, go ahead and add something else. If you don't like blueberries, again, everything you can go ahead and substitute. Layer that on there like this. So it's not floating to the bottom. Everything stays on top. That's what I'm looking for. I'm going to put a couple on the side here. 2 on the side. I'm going to show you how amazing this looks. And we have the mangoes. We're going to layer those over there also. This smells so good. Take your time, okay? Remember, your body is worth it. Do what your body wants, guys. I gotta add some. I'm gonna add some nice blueberries in there for that. Okay. We're gonna stick a couple over there. A couple on the side. Be creative. If you want to add more peanut powder, you can do that. That, my friend, looks so good. Cannot wait to taste this. Wow. There's no rhyme or reason also, okay? Look at that. That is flowing with colors. Can you see that up close? That right there, my friend, is lunchtime. It is up. Come on over. Let me go ahead and give you some of that.